My dear viewers, welcome to Infinite Knowledge channel. Today's topic is about modern physics, that is atomic physics, types of electron emission and types of spectrum. What is physics? Physics is the study of matter and energies. Physics is a science, an exploration into how things work and why. Physics is classified into two types, classical physics and modern physics. Under classical physics, there is mechanics, thermodynamics and kinetic theory of gases, optics, electricity and magnetism, acoustics, astrophysics and relativity. Under modern physics, there is quantum physics, atomic physics, nuclear physics, molecular physics, high energy physics, condensed matter physics. What is modern physics? Modern physics includes the microscopic characteristics of matter. These are the discoveries found by scientists during the 20th century like Albert Einstein, Lorentz and many others. Now let us go in detail about atomic physics. What is atomic physics? The branch of physics which deals with the structure and properties of atom is called atomic physics. What is electron emission? The process of liberation of electrons from a surface is known as electron emission. Metals have a large number of free electrons and hence it's easy to liberate electrons from their surface. So metals are preferred from electron emission. The free electrons in metal are in a state of random motion and their kinetic energies are not sufficient for them to escape from the metallic surface. The minimum amount of energy required to liberate an electron from the surface of a metal is known as the work function of the metal. In electron emission, energy is provided to the surface electrons by suitable means so that they acquire sufficient energy to escape from the metallic surface. What are the types of electron emission? Thermionic emission, photoelectric emission, field emission, secondary emission. Thermionic emission. When a material is heated to a sufficiently high temperature, the electrons absorb the energy supplied in the form of heat energy and are emitted from the surface. This is called thermionic emission. Photoelectric emission. When a material is irradiated with electromagnetic radiation of suitable frequency, electrons are emitted from the surface. This phenomenon is called photoelectric effect. Here energy is supplied to the electrons when the incident photons collide with the surface electrons. What is field emission? When a pair of metal plates held at a separation are maintained at high potential difference, the field between the plates can pull out electrons from the negative plate and send them towards the positive plate. This phenomenon is called as the field emission. Here energy is supplied to the electrons by the applied potential. What is secondary emission? When electrons possessing high kinetic energy are made to incident on a surface, they transfer their kinetic energy to several electrons inside the surface. If the energy is sufficiently high, several electrons are emitted from the surface. Thus, using one electron, several electrons are emitted. This phenomenon is called secondary emission. What is spectrum? Spectrum is an ordered sequence of wavelengths, colors. A spectrum is caused by dispersion. Dispersion can be produced by using a prism or a grating. An impure spectrum is one in which the constituent colors overlap, and in a pure spectrum, the constituent colors do not overlap. A spectrometer is a device using which a pure spectrum of a source can be obtained and measurements can be made. Based on the appearance, the spectra are classified into two types, namely emission spectra and absorption spectra. Emission spectrum An emission spectrum is obtained when the source is an emitter of radiation. The spectrum consists of a sequence of bright colors. Emission spectrum are further divided into three types: continuous emission spectrum, band emission spectrum, and line emission spectrum. What is continuous emission spectrum? The spectrum consists of all the colors, wavelengths from red to violet continuously. Such a spectrum is produced by hot solids, liquids, and gases under high pressure. The brightness of different region of the spectrum depends on the temperature of the source but not on the nature of the material of the source. Thus, two solids at the same temperature produce identical continuous emission spectra. Incandescent bulb, that is filament lamp, is the most commonly used source of continuous emission spectrum. What is band emission spectrum? It consists of colored bands, groups of wavelengths against a dark background. It is produced by a gaseous source in molecular form under low pressure. The band spectrum is characteristic of the given molecule, hence the band emission spectrum is called the fingerprint of the molecules. What is line emission spectrum? It consists of bright colored lines, that is selected wavelengths, against a dark background. It is produced by a gaseous source which is in atomic form. The line emission spectrum is characteristic of the atom, that is elements. Thus, line emission spectrum is the fingerprint of the element. What is absorption spectrum? An absorption spectrum, a substance in a suitable form, is introduced between the source of continuous spectrum, that is filament lamp, and the collimator of a spectrometer. The resulting spectrum consists of dark region against bright colored background, which is called the absorption spectra. It is divided into three types: continuous absorption spectrum, band absorption spectrum, and line absorption spectrum. What is continuous absorption spectrum? It consists of a white dark region against a bright colored background. It is obtained if the absorber of radiation is a colored solid or liquid. What is band absorption spectrum? It consists of a dark bands against a bright colored background. A band absorption spectrum is characteristic of molecules. The dark bands occur at the same position as that of the bright bands in emission spectrum. The band absorption spectrum is important in the case of unstable molecules such as a potassium iodide. What is line absorption spectrum? It consists of dark lines against a bright colored background. Such a spectrum is obtained if the absorber of radiation is in the atomic form. The dark lines occur at the same position as that of the bright lines in the line emission spectrum. Thus, line emission, absorption, and emission spectrum are similar. They are inverse to each other. The study of line absorption spectrum is important in the case of highly reactive atoms. What is electromagnetic spectrum? Electromagnetic waves are transverse waves. They consist of mutually perpendicular fluctuating electric and magnetic fields. The direction of propagation is always along a direction which is perpendicular to vibrations of both the fields. Electromagnetic waves travel with the highest known velocity c equals 3 × 10⁸ millimeter seconds. In vacuum, electromagnetic waves occur in wide range of wavelengths. Hence, they have wide range of frequencies and energies. The entire group of electromagnetic waves arranged in an ordered sequence form the complete electromagnetic spectrum is divided in a number of regions, each having a range of wavelengths. Each range of electromagnetic spectrum has a different method of protection, detection, and application. Thank you, viewers, for watching my channel. Eat healthy and be healthy. Happiness is the highest form of health. Have a colorful day. Keep smiling always. Signing off, Deepika.